Hello friends, hello ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. I believe you are doing fine and okay in your respective places. Alright, in today's presentation, I will be reviewing a company called FUTURETRADE Online Investment. So I will be talking on how you can make up to 2% daily profits on your investment. Make up to 2% daily profits on your investment. So this is what I will be talking about in today's video. So I am reviewing this particular company called the FUTURETRADE investment platform. The FUTURETRADE investment platform. So I want you to stay tuned to watch this video to the very end for you to have the full information that I'm about to pass across to you, so that it can enhance your decision in doing this business or in staying away from it. Alright, but before I will go deeper, once again I welcome you to this channel, because this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogenic Based Talk. And in Lasogenic Based Talk, what we do is that we give you financial education at its peak. So I'm bringing that to your doorstep, financial education. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notifications for you to be continually updated, to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I have new information that is financial education to share with you guys. Alright, if you have any question concerning these videos, at the end, or you found it, you have any comments, you can contact me through this email, my phone number, my WhatsApp contact here. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making some announcements on how you can make money online in a frequent way. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is how you can make up to 2% daily profit on your investment, because many people, they do ask me, what can I do online? How can I make money online? And many people, they are very, very skeptical. They are very, very scared of any online investment because of their past experience. So that is the reason why this channel is created, to show you some ways whereby you can make money online, and also to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investment, in order for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. So you need to share this video with your friends and family, for them also not to fall victims of online fraudulent investment. So quickly, let me go take you to the platform. So this is the FUTURETRADE, FUTURETRADE.com, FUTURETRADE.com. So you shouldn't mistake it for this particular FUTURETRADE. So this is just like an imitation. So it's just like an imitation. So this one is FUTURETRADE, but this is the original site, the FUTURETRADE.com. This is the original site for FUTURETRADE website. Alright, so let me continue with the review. So this is an investment platform whereby you can make up to 2% daily on your investment, according to my own review with them. Because FUTURETRADE is a platform that I have known for the past 6 months. It's more than 6 months, and I have a good review about them. I have a good experience about this particular online investment. So they are not fraudulent investments, and they are not suspicious. So but you just need to know that this video is all about financial education, and the decision should be taken by you and you alone, because you are responsible for your action. Alright, so now let's continue with what we have here on the site: mastering cryptocurrencies, market capitalization on the ease of metric. Okay, welcome to FUTURETRADE, the FUTURETRADE. We are focused on pushing the limits of what comprises the best expectation. You can read this through on your own. So we have about us, trading, investment, affiliate, legal, and media. So we have all these button here. So let's check some information about this company. Okay, let me go to the about us. Let me go to the about us page to see what we have there. Okay, I have opened the sites for a very long period, so all right, let's go to the about us page. Okay, now we are in the about us page. We are a forex and crypto trading investment organization. With our years of experience in trading on the financial market, our experts have successfully built sustainable income for our partners and investors. We have our office in Marshall Island, and we are licensed and regulated by the financial bodies necessary. Those that invest and make profit with us have an account manager who manages their funds and executes profitable trades for our investors. So you can read the rest on your own. Let's check this video. Let's check this video about FUTURETRADE. So let's check this video about the FUTURETRADE. Okay, this is the CEO of the FUTURETRADE, so you can watch this video on your own. You can watch it on your own, so to have more information about this company called FUTURETRADE, you can watch it on your own. All right, so let me go back to the presentation. All right, so based on the information we have here now, this company is all about cryptocurrency trading and forex trading. So you can also download the business plan and the presentation here. So I've checked through that one, and it is quite explanatory. So in my subsequent video on this same topic on FUTURETRADE, I will be explaining all the information in their presentation, in their PDF presentation. But let's go to the site for more information. So these are the team, because in every online investment there must be a team behind the company. So the founder is Mary Reid, founder, the CEO. CTO is Michael Scan, Gavin Anderson, the marketing executive Alison Krauss. So these are the team behind this company. It's very, very important to know those who will be saddled with the responsibility of managing your fund. Worldwide standard in crypto trading. You can read this on your own. So you can read this through on your own. Why us? The FUTURETRADE is a full-featured trading and investment platform for major digital assets and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. So you can read all these on your own. All right, so now let's go to the investment plan. Returns on investment. The profit from an activity for a particular period compared with the amount invested in it and paid on daily basis. ROI is a popular metric because of its versatility and simplicity. That is return on investment. So let's check the investment packages. So we have the starter, the banker, the financer, the entrepreneur. Okay, we have these four trading packages, and now the first one is starter. The duration is 200 days, and the daily profit is 1.4%, and the minimum and the maximum amount you can invest therein is $50. So the minimum investment is $50 and the maximum is $4,999, and this will last for 200 working days. So you are going to earn 1.4%. Let's do some calculation. 50 multiplied by 1.4%, that is 0.7, that is 0.7 US dollar is what you'll be earning on daily basis. So multiply by 200, so that means you will earn in total, you will earn $140 in 200 days if you invest $50 in this platform, in this trading, in this package, in this investment package. So you'll be earning around $40 in 200 days. And in the second investment package is banker, and the duration is 280 days. You earn 1.6% daily. And the investment is between 5,000 to 24,999. And the next one is financer. Duration is 160 days. Daily profit is 1.8. And the next one is entrepreneur. Duration is 150 days. Daily profit is 2.0. So you can make up to 2.0% on your investment, according to what I said earlier. 2% is very possible. It's very possible. And the minimum investment is $50,000 and above. So you can go for anyone based on your financial strength. So based on your financial strength, you can go for any of the packages. All right, now let's check some things to be noted. The minimum withdrawal is $15. You should have an active account to make any transactions. There are 2% admin charges on Revenue Wallet to downline Revenue Wallet transfer. Revenue Wallet payouts every Thursday. Daily profits will be credited from Monday to Friday, so that is the working days. Referral and binary commission will be credited to your service wallet. There are 2% admin charges on service wallet to Revenue Wallet transfer. Admin charges of 6% are levied on all the withdrawals. Revenue Wallet balances can be used to activate the accounts. Daily profit will be credited to your Revenue Wallet. Service wallet payouts every day. It's mandatory to have one right and one left direct referral to gain binary income. Alright, so these are the points to be noted. So you can invest as little as $50 and make $140 in 200 days, as I have analyzed earlier. And you can go as far as $50,000 based on your financial strength. Okay, so this is where I will stop for today on this presentation. So in my subsequent video on FUTURETRADE, I will be analyzing the document, that is the PDF presentation of FUTURETRADE company. So you can also check through the website for any other information, but based on my own review, I think FUTURETRADE is a safe place to invest. So, and it is what I have been checking for so many months now before I am able to do a video on it for a good recommendation. But nevertheless, as you all know that this channel is for financial education, you are expected to do some due diligence research for you to take your decision in order to be responsible for your action. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Check below the description box of this video for more information if you are ready to start now, so that you can join my team and earn from the spillover of downlines. You can just check the description box to get the registration link that will be dropped there. Alright, and if you have any question concerning this program, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number here, or lasogenic@gmail.com email. You can call me on phone and also join our Telegram channel. And once again, it's very, very important for you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next updates, of the next financial education that I'm bringing down to your doorstep. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you. Bye for now.